click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are comparing two discount brokers, My Value Trade and Upstox. It was also called RKSV. These are reasonably prominent stockbrokers, and in this comparison we will be talking about their backgrounds, account opening and maintenance charges, their brokerage plans, exposure or leverage if they offer, research or any trading education they provide, trading platforms performance. We will be talking about their mobile app, web applications or terminal based softwares, and some other features that can help you to figure out which of these two stockbrokers, My Value Trade or Upstox, is a better choice for you. Let's get started. So starting the company backgrounds, both My Value Trade and Upstox are discount brokers in nature. My Value Trade has seen a lot of business transitions, started in the year 1985, and they finally settled as a discount broker in 2013. Upstox, on the other hand, joined the overall mainstream of discount broking in the year 2012 after they saw this huge transition in the overall stockbroking space with Zerodha introducing the concept in 2010. Both of these are not full service stockbrokers, so expectations of offline branches can't be there. They do have some offices in some of the metro cities of the country, so you might find their headquarters there. As far as exchanges are concerned, both of these stockbrokers are members of NSE, BSE and few commodity exchanges of the country. If you're looking to open an account with them, My Value Trade does not charge you anything for the trading account, but they have 555 rupees for demat account. To maintain your trading account, however, you need to pay 400 rupees every year to them. Upstox, on the other hand, is making your entry into the stock market absolutely free. Demat and trading account is free as far as opening is concerned. To maintain your account as well, you don't need to pay anything. So from that particular perspective, definitely Upstox looks much more economical, but we need to advise you at the same time that this can be a marketing gimmick, and it basically could be a customer acquisition strategy. So yes, you can open an account with them, but you make sure that you look at the other aspects which are important for decision making in selecting a particular stockbroker. Now, brokerage is something which is important and crucial, obviously. Well, both of these are discount brokers, so definitely they will charge you a flat rate. My Value Trade has a plan of 10 rupees per executed order. Upstox, on the other hand, has 20 rupees. They don't really charge you for delivery. This is a typo here. You can consider that particular thing while you're saying it. But other than that, in every other segment, you will be charged 20 rupees irrespective of the trade value. So that's the flat rate offered by Upstox, and delivery trades are free. Quickly jumping to ourdigitalblogger.com, we are checking out My Value Trade brokerage plans. Apart from the fixed 10 rupees per executed order plan, they have a flat rate of 1000 rupees which you can pay for 1 month, and you can place unlimited trades for that particular duration. So that's a value for money in a sense. At the same time, they also have a yearly plan where you need to pay 10,000 rupees as a bulk amount upfront, and you can trade for the whole year without paying any brokerage charge at all. So it really comes down to the kind of commitment you are looking at. If you're looking to test the market, then obviously these plans will not work for you. But if you are already trading at a higher capital value, or the number of trades you're placing is also high, then these plans definitely make a lot of sense for you. So from brokerage perspective, My Value Trade gives much more flexibility and options to the client so that they can choose as per their preferences. When we talk about exposure or leverage, well, both of these stockbrokers are decently placed. Upstox gives you 20 times for equity intraday. So if you're looking to have a trading account balance of 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 2 lakh rupees for intraday trades with Upstox. That value can go up as high as 50,000, because in case of My Value Trade, exposure can go up to 5 times. In other segments, Upstox gives you consistent exposure. It's not so bad, actually it's decently done, but My Value Trade in a sense disappoints you because there's not much of a value there. So if exposure, if one is one of your expectations from your stockbrokers, between these two, Upstox does a better job. Now talking about customer service, well, these are discount brokers, and honestly you cannot expect a lot from them. Full service stockbrokers can provide you a lot of communication channels. Their quality is also good, turnaround time is also quick, but in case of discount brokers, things can go south. My Value Trade provides you email support, live chat, phone, toll-free number. So in terms of number of communication channels, it's good, while Upstox gives you only a couple of them, email support and phone number. You can also get in touch with them through, let's say, Google Play Store or social media. That majorly those are feedback related forums, but if you want to have a quick word with them, then obviously phone is the best way you can get in touch with them. In terms of quality, honestly, there's not much of a difference. More or less they are same. Turnaround time is equally bad because, well, they can give you a good sort of a customer service, but well, quality can't really compare with full service stockbrokers. So whenever it comes to any discount broker for that matter, it's not about My Value Trade or Upstox, but when it comes to any discount broker, customer service is always going to be mediocre in overall quality. Moving ahead, if we talk about research, well, again, you can't really expect that particular segment from them. They might give you some sort of trading or investment education, which Upstox, we hear, they do that through their YouTube channel. They educate the customer through webinars as well. So you can get some idea on basics and fundamentals of education of trading and investing through them. So that's one good part. My Value Trade, we haven't really heard that they are doing anything in that particular front. So there's nothing there from them. Trading segments, well, you can invest across equity, mutual funds, currency, commodity with both of these stockbrokers, while IPO is the only segment that is provided by My Value Trade and not by Upstox. So if you're looking to invest in an upcoming IPO between these two stockbrokers, My Value Trade is the only one that can provide you. If you talk about some other features, well, not much of a differentiation here, but if you're looking for these features, well, you can put a gaze here. So automated trading is something Upstox provides you, while margin funding and relationship managers are provided by My Value Trade. Now let's spend some time on their trading platforms. We will start with their mobile app and we will head to Google Play Store for that. So here at Google Play Store, we are looking at Upstox mobile app called Upstox Pro, which is rated at 4.3 by around 2,435 users. Sample size is alright. It's not so great, but it's fine to make a judgment. Out of those, around, let's say around 10%, 12% have rated this app negatively, which is actually a decent number because around 90% of the users are satisfied with this app. The last update was done on 6th of May 2017. What we have seen in this case of Upstox is that they update their mobile app in a range of 3 weeks at max, which is a excellent duration because it kind of gives you an idea of the focus they have on technology. The number of installs of this particular app has been in the range of 50,000 to 1 lakh, which we think will improve by time. As of now, it's kind of okay. We had a word with a few of the clients of Upstox, and there were a couple of concerns. The concerns are around specific features such as P&L section in holdings. Might face some hard time using that, and if you're living in a smaller city, if you're using a lower internet connection bandwidth, then you might have few issues with the login functionality. You might take some time to log into the application at times. It's a rare kind of a thing, but it really happens with this application. Other than that, it's a good application. You can use it for your regular trading, especially for intraday trading. It won't really disappoint you much. From our digital blogger, we definitely recommend you for mobile trading. And then we are heading here to My Value Trade's mobile app. Well, we were actually very shocked when we saw some of the numbers here. The app has been rated at 2.8. Well, this is surprise number 1. Only sample size of 28, and out of those, around 50% of the users have rated this app negatively. Having said that, this is not a good enough sample size to make a judgment here, but we will still just talk about things that we are just looking at. The update that this app has seen was done in June 17, 2015. We are recording this video on May 2017, so it's been good 2 years. This app has seen an update. What we can think from here that My Value Trade might have launched this app on this particular date, and probably they have forgotten about this. They have not made any update whatsoever. Looking at the number of installs, it's pretty disappointing. And well, when we had a word with a couple of clients, we just found a couple of them. Honestly, there's not many there. So these people had concerns with all kinds of things when you talk about a mobile app. The concerns are around the user experience, speed, the app hangs at times, screen design is not so great. So your overall user experience of trading through this particular mobile app will be dramatically bad. So we will not go ahead and recommend you. In fact, My Value Trade can probably either come up with a newer version of this app. Updating this app and making this better might take a lot of time. So it really comes down to the point that they obviously need to have a presence on mobile in today's days, where mobile trading is at the forefront and is a special need from clients. So between the two, there's obviously no comparison as far as mobile trading is concerned. We are definitely rejecting this app from all means whatsoever. So talking about other trading platforms, let's start with Upstox again. We are referring ourdigitalbroker.com for this. Now, trading platforms for terminal-based software, they are using Nest. Nest is basically an LHC-based software that you need to download and install onto your computer or laptop. It's high-performance application, and you will get decent user experience. And as far as technical or fundamental analysis is concerned, it gives you all kinds of features you can expect from a mature trading application. It's been there for a while now, so that is one of the major reasons why this app is so robust at the same time. So it's a reliable application, but the point is simple here, where in case you are a client or looking to be a client of Upstox, and in case you have a feedback or a comment on top of this application, the only concern will be that Upstox will not be able to correct that. They might be able to transfer that feedback to LSE, but they might not be able to come back to you and say that this concern has been fixed, because obviously this is not in their hands. This is being maintained by a third party. They also have a pro web version, like the case of mobile app. They also have a web version of the browser application. Now you don't need to download and install anything in this. You just go to a browser and any device. You can use a mobile, you can use a tablet, computer, desktop, laptop, whatever. And this is a responsive application, so you will not face any hard time whatsoever in your user experience. The application will mold itself as per the screen size and the device, and it is a lightweight application. It doesn't really require you a lot of high configuration as well. As far as features are concerned, high usability, so it gives a decent user experience as well. Number of features also good, so you will have a good time using these features, understanding them and employing them in your trading on a regular basis. Then for your technical analysis, they have charts around, I guess, more than 90 indicators. Also they have around 6 to 8 types of charts as far as this particular application is concerned, and they also have heat maps for your quick sort of an indication, quick sort of analysis that you want to make before placing an order. So yes, you will get a decent user experience and overall good performance from this application, and we certainly recommend it for you as long as you are looking to trade through a web application. Now let's talk about the platforms offered by My Value Trade across other devices and see whatever value they provide to you. Well, coming to My Value Trade, they give you all kinds of trading applications across devices. They have a desktop-based terminal application which comes with more than 40 technical indicators. It gives you real-time updates on NSE with all kinds of data that you want. Yes, you are integrated with 4 business channels live, so you are connected with the trading application, and at the same time you can also view different TV channels within the trading platforms, telling you about some sort of advices, giving you the real picture of the current market situation, so you can make your objective decision based on the discussions made by the experts. Then you can also personalize the application as per your preferences, and in case being a client you have feedback, you can reach out to My Value Trade and they will certainly be updating that particular concern if it is valid into their application. So that is one big differentiation from Upstox, which has been providing Nest application to its clients. Then there is MVT Classic Web. Well, this is a SSO, single sign-on application, and is flexible in nature, but the only concern with this trading platform is that it is not responsive in nature. You will be limited to desktop or a computer if you want to access this particular software. Again, this is lightweight, not much of bad experience on that front, but comparing this with Upstox Pro Web, that is way ahead in terms of performance or technical analysis features and a lot of other factors that you might expect from a web-based trading platform. So it really comes down to the point what kind of trading device you are looking to go ahead with. If you're looking to use a terminal-based software, then go with MWiki Trader, which is much better a solution and obviously in-house developed. But if you are looking to trade through a web-based solution or the mobile app, Upstox Pro are much better solutions than MWiki Classic are currently for the clients. So these are different trading applications. If you want to have a detailed review of my value trade, you can check out this page at digitalblogger.com. we're talking about multiple facets of stockbroking within this particular page. Similarly, for Upstox, we are talking about different facets here too. We're talking about trading platforms, pricing, then we're talking about exposure values, brokerage, positives and negatives, and all kinds of things if you want to look at. And as far as checking out the whole comparison we have been talking about, it is also available in this particular screen here. You can do it by going to this link, which we will be providing in the description of the video. You can check it out by yourself. So that's it for the video as far as comparison between my value trade and Upstox is concerned. In case you're looking to have a call back from either of these two discount brokers, or you're looking for a discount broker or a full service stockbroker that matches exactly your requirements, what you can do is check out this link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details and your preferences there, and we will be setting up these callbacks for you absolutely free as per those requirements. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video again. Bye-bye.